All right, let's get into it. The doctrine of abrogation, and two very different ways to see it. So what happens when a holy book seems to contradict itself? That's where this whole idea comes from.
First up, the traditional view. It's been a cornerstone of Islamic law for centuries.
Basically, it's the idea that God sometimes replaced earlier rulings with new ones for the community. You've got the abrogator, that's the new rule, and the abrogated, which is the old one. And this is the verse everyone points to as the main theological backing for this idea. Scholars broke it down into three types. Sometimes the text goes, sometimes the rule, sometimes both.
Now, this wasn't seen as God correcting a mistake, but as a wise, gradual way to guide people. Okay, but what if there's another way to look at it? Let's check out a modern reinterpretation.
This perspective says the Quran is one unified whole, so the idea of one part canceling another doesn't really fit. And this whole reinterpretation really hinges on how you read two key Arabic words. First, the word naskh. Does it mean to cancel, or does it actually mean to copy? Okay, let's go back to that key verse, but this time look at the word ayat. So does ayat mean a Quranic verse, or could it mean a sign from an earlier scripture? And this verse right here, it's the big argument for consistency. How can a divine text have contradictions? So you've got two completely different ways of reading the exact same text. Let's compare them. It really boils down to this: a book of chronological updates versus a single unified guide. And look, this isn't just a nerdy debate. It totally changes how you approach the scripture's guidance. So it leaves you with this massive question. What is the nature of a sacred text really?